Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon. Can you all hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Anupama, ma'am.
Yes, dear.
Ma'am, I managed to find last year's book.
Is it Adilakshmi speaking?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay. So you got
I,
the textbook?
yeah, ma'am. One friend of mine is
Okay.
nearby, so he's in 8th now. So I managed to find his book.
But my dear, we have a new textbook this year. The last year's textbook have been changed. You may find one or two chapters similar, but then,
Ma'am,
yes.
I found Hanuman and I.
Okay, Hanumananda is there in last year's textbook. But other chapters are different.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So let me see how many students have joined so far. 26 students have joined. Ihan, Gopika Shankar, then three, I don't know the names. Triplets, we have the triplets. Triplets, can you give me your name? Gopika, Amrita, and? One more. Okay, Adilakshmi. Then, is there any student named Vinod? Baja, Nazrin, Fatima, Aisha, Manuel, Shahban, Anna Binu, Aaron, Muhammad Hishan, Renon Jijo, Noor Al Haya, Sneha Soni, Gauri Priya, John Al Joseph, Ahmad Afridi, Nakul, Effins Joseph. All right. So, dear children, shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Sure, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. So, I think you were attending a max session previously, yes?
Yes, ma'am.
I saw you actively participating in the max class. So I expect that same activeness from you for this literature session also. All right. So dear children, how many of you read the textbook
Ma'am,
with regard to previous class?
did.
yes, ma'am. I
Shreya, Karthik. Who else? Just raise your hand. Sneha,
Ma'am, I also.
Rinon, Gopika Shankar. Okay, triplets. All right. So most of you have read, but what about others? I can see that some of you did not raise your hands. See, children, please make it a point every time to read the text. Okay, that is very important. So shall we quickly recapitulate the points?
yes, ma'am.
All right. So who is going to answer first? My first question. Name the important characters in the story.
Ma'am, I will say.
Yes, Adilakshmi.
The teacher,
Yes.
little girl, Alka.
Yes, the teacher and the little girl. Alka, the character is not seen in the play. Okay, she's a minor character. Only the name is mentioned. So the major characters in the story are the little girl and the teacher. Okay, next question to Karthik. What was the little girl hoping for? Unmute. Unmute your audio.
Rama.
Yes. What was the little girl hoping for? I need answers in perfect sentence. Try to put it in sentence.
What can I say?
She was.
The question is to Karthik. Let him try.
She
Yes.
was.
Yes,
She
Karthik.
as Rama. She didn't mind acting as Lakshmana or Hanuman.
All right, good. The little girl was hoping to get a good role in the drama. She wanted to do the role of Rama. She doesn't mind doing the role of Lakshmana or Hanuman. Okay, good answer, Karthik. Next question is to Shreya. Name the drama that the school was planning to enact for the annual day. Name the drama that the school was planning to do on the annual day.
The story of Rama was a drama and the school was planning to enact on the annual day.
Very good, perfect answer. The story of Rama. The story of Rama was the drama that the school was going to enact for its annual day. Good. What was the role offered to the little girl initially? Ahmad Afridi, what was the role given to the little girl initially? Afridi, can I get answer from you?
I can answer.
Question is to Afridi. Yes? I cannot get any response, so I think I'll move to Amrita. Amrita? Amrita,
The little girl was given
please be louder. The little girl was?
the little girl was given chance to do the role of Hanuman in the monkeys. Sena.
Yes, the little girl was offered the role of one of the monkeys in the
One
fun.
of them.
All right. Next question is to Bhaja Abdul. Who is Alka? Why was she unable to perform on the annual day? Who is Alka? Why was she unable to perform on the annual day? Everyone except Bhaja should mute. Children, muting and unmuting that you have to do it very compulsorily during the class. Otherwise, lot of disturbances will come through. Once your name is called, just unmute and give me the answer, then mute it. Okay.
Sorry, ma'am, I don't the answer.
Okay, Baja, don't worry. I'll ask the same to Muhammad Hishan. Yes, who is Alka and why was she unable to perform?
I don't know.
Why you don't know? Which means you haven't read the text. Yes?
Ma'am, I know.
Can I say?
I was writing the.
You have to listen to the class.
Ma'am,
You have to write. At the same time, you have to listen to the class. Okay, question is to Shahnan Nazar.
Yes, ma'am.
Shahnan, who is Alka?
He was a little girl who was offered the role of Hanuman.
No. The little girl is not given any name in our story.
ma'am, can I say?
Okay, question is to Nihan. Children, I have told you to read the text and come for the session.
What is the question?
Question is, who is Alka? Why was she unable to perform on the annual day?
Ma'am, can I say?
Ma'am, can I say? Ma'am, can I say? Can I say?
Who wants to give me the answer? Just raise your hand. Shreya, Aaron, Afridi, Kopika, Shankar. All right. So, Afridi, answer.
Alka was a
Mm.
girl in the little girl's bed. She was unable to come because she was suffering from
Alka was the girl who was supposed to do the role of Hanuman
Hanuman.
in the drama
But
titled The Story of Rama. Why she was unable to perform?
She was unable to perform because she was suffering from measles.
Yes, that part is perfect. She was unable to perform because she was contracted with measles and has been running a high temperature since that morning. Good. Next question. Was Sneha, are you there? Sneha Soni. Sneha has become invisible now. Okay, I'll move to Ihan. Ihan, was the teacher really happy to select the little girl for the role of Hanuman? Why or why not? Was the teacher really happy to select the little girl for the role of Hanuman? What is your answer, Ihan?
No.
The teacher was not happy. Why? What was the condition of the teacher when she got the note from the watchman that Alka will not be coming for performing? What was her situation? Yes? Who can help Ihan? Ihan is confused with the answer. Aaron?
Because she was overconfident.
Was the teacher happy of giving the role of Hanuman to the little girl? That's my question.
No.
No, the teacher was not happy. Okay. Why was the teacher not happy?
Ma'am, can I say?
Ma'am, can I say?
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, who wants to give the answer?
Ma'am, she was a little girl.
Gopika Aram. Can you just explain the situation of teacher? Was she really happy to select the little girl for the role of Hanuman or not?
She was not happy.
She was not happy. She was confused. The teacher was disappointed and worried that the girl Alka was not able to perform, and she looked around in dismay. She looked around in confusion, and finally her eyes fell on the little girl, and she offered the role. Okay, next question is to Nakul. Which lines from the story tells you that the little girl is very confident? Nakul, can I get answer from you? Which lines from the story tells you that the little girl is very confident?
She said that even if I forget my lines,
Yes.
I will think of something else.
Very good. Perfect answer. She told the teacher that, of course, I can do the role of Hanuman. Even if I forget the lines, I can think of something else. Very good. Well done, Nakul. All right. Last question. How did the teacher decide to support the girl while performing on the stage? Sneha? How did the teacher support the girl while performing on the stage?
They read the lines.
Yes. She read out the lines. There is one particular word for that. What is that? Do you remember?
No, ma'am.
Prompting. Yes. Prompting. The teacher told the girl that she would be prompting by standing on the wings, and she should not mumble. For God's sake, she has to speak louder and not to mumble. All right. So who can summarize the last part, the previous portion? Who can summarize it fully? Come on, be smart enough in the literature class.
Ma'am, I'll try.
Yes, very good, Adilakshmi. Okay. So everyone, please listen to her. If you have any doubts, we'll clarify it now. Yes.
It was the day of annual day, little school. So they were deciding to play a drama on
Yes.
topic, the story of Rama.
All right.
Okay, so there was a little girl who wished for better character. I mean, the
Yes.
best character. So finally, the teacher gave the rules to
Yes.
to particular person. So the little girl got the role of one of the monkeys in the Vanasena. She was very sad.
Yes.
On annual day, teacher got the notice that Alka, the girl who got the role of Hanuman, is suffering from measles.
Measles.
So the teacher was disappointed,
Yes.
and her eyes fell on Alka doubtfully. Alka was
Doubtfully.
confident. Alka was like, "Oh my God, my dream come true."
Alka was overwhelmed, thinking that her dream has come true. Then,
Yeah.
yes,
Oh, sorry,
not
sorry,
Alka, the little
Little
girl.
girl.
Yes, very good.
Very. Yeah. So
Don't just get confused with Alka and the little girl. The little girl in our story does not have any name. The author has not given any name to a little girl. Alka is entirely a different person who is supposed to do the role of Hanuman. So don't get confused with Alka and the little girl. Okay. Yes, then what happened?
So the little girl was confident enough that she can do. So
Yes.
the teacher, So the teacher told she will be prompting the words from the wings.
Yes.
That's all.
And she also gave the instruction, the teacher also gave the instruction that for God's sake, do not mumble, speak as loudly as you can. All right. So dear children, which are the new words that we learned in the previous session? Quickly, tell me which are the new words.
Prompting,
Prompting.
wings, overwhelmed,
Humble.
We will start from the beginning. First
Vanasena.
word,
in a chorus.
chorus, in a chorus. Yes. Second,
Vanasena.
Vanar Sena. Okay. Third,
Mumble.
Prompting.
Third one, contracted.
Prompting.
We'll go in the order. Okay, don't pick out the words from here and there. We'll go in the order. Vanasena, chorus, contracted, dismay,
Prompting.
overwhelmed,
Wings.
prompting, wings, mumble. Okay, we have learned 8 words in the last class. I hope you are clear with the meaning. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so those who have the textbook, please keep it open. We'll move on to the page number 3. I'm going to share the screen for you. I hope all of you can see it. Can you all see the screen?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So just start reading from the 5th paragraph. Who's going to read now? Gopika Shankar, can you just read?
Yes, ma'am.
Read from the 5th paragraph.
As the curtains went up for the third scene, I was pushed on stage to the accompaniment of the drums.
The accompaniment of the drums. The drums.
Accompaniment of the drums.
Yes.
I almost fell on my face. For some time, I could not see a thing. The drums were echoing in my ears, and my hands and feet were cold and numb. I opened my mouth to say my lines, but my throat was dry and I couldn't remember them.
Yes. Just continue.
Thankfully, I heard my teacher reading out my lines again and again.
Yes.
I began repeating whatever she was saying, and without realizing what I was saying.
Yes.
I knelt in front of Rama, telling him with folded hands that I was his faithful servant. I would gladly die for him. Oh, my lord, I repeated loudly what my teacher was saying. You have forgotten to pin your tail.
All right. Thank you, Gopika. You have read it very well. Okay. So thank you. So now we are going to deal with what is going to happen on the stage. So little girl with a lot of confidence, she took up the role of Hanuman, even without practicing. And then we find that as the play moved forward to the third scene, what happened? As the curtain went up for the third scene, I was pushed on stage to the accompaniment of the drums. Who is I here? Who is I in the story? Little girl, narrator of a story. The little girl was pushed onto the stage with the accompaniment of the drums. Why was she pushed onto the stage? Who can give me the answer? Why was a little girl pushed on? If the characters are supposed to come and act on the stage, do we really have to push them?
No.
What do you think? No. We don't have to push them. But why this little girl has been pushed up? Shreya, do you have any answer for that? Can you just guess why she was pushed onto the stage?
Ma'am, I think
Ma'am, because she was not confident.
It's not about confidence. She was not knowing when she has to appear on the stage. The little girl was not knowing when she has to appear on the stage. So, what is the scene was given? Which scene was given to her? The third scene. She was pushed onto the stage for the third scene, along with the accompaniment of the drums. So she could hear the sound of the drums, the musical background was going on, and at the same time, she was pushed by somebody else onto the stage because she did not know when to appear on the stage. I almost fell on my face. Due to the force exerted on her body, what happened? She fell on her face to the ground. For some time, I could not see a thing. The drums were echoing in my ears and my hands and feet were cold and numb. So just imagine a play is going on, the story of drama is going on, and many large number of people are there to watch, and the little girl has been pushed onto the stage. And then she could not see a thing. Everything was blank for her. She was not able to see anything in front of her. And she only could hear the echoing sound of the drums. And her hands and feet were cold and numb. What do you mean by numb? Children, just mute. Everyone just mute your audio.
It is echoing.
Yes, it is echoing. I also feel the same. Yes. In the story, we are dealing with the drums echoing in the ears. Same thing is happening to me also. I can also hear the echoing sound of my own
Me
voice.
too.
Yes. So, what do you think? What do you mean by numb? What do you mean by numb?
Now also going.
Everyone just mute it. Everyone just mute. Then it will be proper. Then it will be proper. Has somebody pressed on some echo button? I think now it has become clear. Karthik, do you know the word meaning of numb? Do you know the any idea?
No, ma'am.
Yes? Yes. Those who have the answer can tell me. Okay.
I know the Malayalam word of numb.
No, 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 no. You cannot speak in Malayalam. This is English literature class.
I don't know.
Okay, fine. I'll give you the meaning. Just note it down. Numb means deprived of the power of physical sensation. Power of physical sensation. Numb. Numb means deprived of the power of physical sensation. Which means when you are so frightened, when you are so nervous, you will not be able to move your hands and body, hands, legs, whatever, freely. It will be very stiff.
Power of physical.
Yes, deprived of the power of physical sensation. That is what you mean by numb. Unable to move your legs and hands as you wish. It will be very stiff. So the little girl's hands and feet were cold and numb. I opened my mouth to say my lines, but my throat was dry and I couldn't remember them. So look at her confidence. She has not practiced any dialogues. She was supposed to say the role, say the dialogue, Jai Rama, Jai Hanuman in chorus. And that was the only thing that she practiced initially, as she was one among the monkeys in the Vanarsena. But now we find that all of a sudden the little girl was given the role of Hanuman. And Hanuman is somebody who is to do the main role in the drama. Hanuman has got a great role to do in drama. But we find that somehow she thought she can make up lines by herself and she opened her mouth, but due to fear, her throat became dry and she could not remember. But actually, has she practiced anything? What do you think, children?
Practice. And sound is
She has not practiced, so she did not know about the dialogues. Thankfully, I heard my teacher reading out my lines again and again.
My sound is
My dear children, please, everyone, please mute your audio.
my sound is echoing here.
Yes, yes, my voice is echoing. I can understand that. Please mute everyone. Albin Sibi, mute it. Everyone mute. Have you all muted? All right. So we'll continue. Thankfully, I heard my teacher reading out my lines again and again. I began repeating whatever she was saying without realizing what I was saying. So now tell me, what are the advantages and disadvantages of prompting? Jonal, do you know the meaning of prompting? Jonal Joseph? Do you know the meaning of prompting? We learned it in the last class. Yes. Then tell me, give me the meaning of the word prompting.
To read and give.
Yes. To repeat the dialogues for the actors that they have forgotten during a play or a drama. So now tell me, what are the advantages and disadvantages of prompting? Do you think that prompting will always work in a positive way? Anna Binu, can you just give me any advantage of prompting?
Ma'am, advantages means if someone forgot their lines,
Yes.
that would be very helpful.
Yes, very good. If somebody forgets the lines during the act, during the play, then if another person prompts, that will be really helpful. Very good. What about you, Noor Al-Haya? What could be the disadvantage of prompting?
If we are saying and nobody heard, then the problem will begin.
Noor Al-Haya?
if we are saying anything wrong, if the person who's prompting is saying something that they just noticed, we are also the actors have to repeat the same thing.
Yes, if the person who is prompting tells something other than the dialogues, then the actor will be repeating that thinking as his or her dialogue. Do you get me?
Yes, ma'am.
Disadvantage of prompting is that if the person who is prompting on the wings of the stage tells anything other than the dialogues which is not included in the drama, then the actor or the actress may think that it is her dialogue and they will start repeating it. So in the story we find that a lot of confusions happening because of that. So teacher told something and the little girl, as she did not have any practice, she thought that it is her dialogue and she started repeating without realizing what she was saying. I knelt in front of Rama, telling him with folded hands that I was his faithful servant. I would gladly die for him. So the little girl knew how to act. She was a good actress. She knew how to act. She knelt in front of Rama with her hands folded, and she was supposed to say that she is glad to serve Rama as his faithful servant. But then at that point of time, the teacher noticed something peculiar about the costume of Hanuman. The teacher says, "Oh my Lord,
He didn't pin the tail.
yes, you have forgotten to pin the tail." So only when the little girl was on the stage, the teacher noticed that the Hanuman, the little girl who was supposed to do the role of Hanuman, has forgotten to pin her tail. So then, in surprise, the teacher just spoke it a little bit loudly. "Oh my God, you have forgotten to pin your tail." So then the little girl, without realizing that whether it was her dialogue or not, she said it aloud. "Oh my Lord, you have forgotten to pin your tail." So the teacher has told her, do not mumble, for God's sake. Speak as loudly as you can. So children, are you able to understand the humor in the story?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So the teacher has told, do not mumble, for God's sake, speak as loudly as you can. So the little girl, with all her energy, she told, "Oh my Lord, you have forgotten to pin your tail." So to whom this dialogue is spoken? What do you
Rama.
think? Yes?
Rama.
Rama. The dialogue is spoken to Rama.
But
All right.
ma'am, Rama doesn't have a tail.
Yes, yes. So shall we move to the next page?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So now who is going to read? Sneha? Read.
Don't be silly. His drama. I'm not supposed to have a tail. You've forgotten yours. I touched the spot where the tail should have been. I'm sorry, my lord, I said, trying to make up for my mistake.
Yes.
I meant my tail. I have forgotten to pin my own tail.
Yes. Continue.
Teacher now whispered, "Jump, jump, jump." I shouted, "Jump." "You jump," Rama shouted at me. Then, realizing my second mistake, I began to jump, and the curtains came down to the sound of laughter.
All right. Thank you, Sneha. So we'll continue. So this particular dialogue was spoken to Rama by Hanuman. Okay. So Rama became so angry and he hissed, "Don't be silly. I'm not supposed to have a tail. You have forgotten yours." So Rama clearly understood that this was not a dialogue that was included in the drama. So he did not speak it loudly, but instead of that, he was speaking it softly, but at the same time powerfully. He hissed with anger, "Don't be silly. I'm not supposed to have a tail. You have forgotten yours. I touched the spot where the tail should have been." Now the little girl realized that she has forgotten to pin her tail. So she touched the place where she was supposed to have the tail. "I'm sorry, my lord," I said, trying to make up for my mistake. "I meant my tail. I have forgotten to pin on my tail." So the little girl is exchanging whatever she wants to say that too loudly. So everybody is hearing. All the audience are listening to her. So just imagine what kind of confusion is happening on the stage. She said, "Oh, my lord, I'm sorry. I meant my tail. I forgot to pin up my tail." The teacher now whispered. So teacher was whispering. She was not actually prompting the dialogue, but then she whispered, "Jump, jump." I shouted, "Jump." So whatever the teacher told, little girl shouted it aloud. So actually, what do you mean by jump? Here, jump is a dialogue or action?
Action.
Action.
It's an
yes.
action.
Yes, very good. Jump means action. It is not a dialogue. But the little girl thought that she was supposed to say the dialogue. She asked Rama to jump. Jump. You jump. You. Rama shouted at me. Then realizing my second mistake, I began to jump, and the curtains came down to the the curtains came down to the sound of laughter. So, dear children, did you understand what are the mistakes made by the little girl?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, Nazrin Fatima, tell me, what was the mistake made by the little girl first? Yes, excuse me. Yes, Nazrin. Can you tell me what was the first mistake made by the little girl?
Can I say
Yes?
she forgot to pin the tail?
Yes, very good. She forgot to pin her tail. Not only that, but she told this as a dialogue to Rama. Not only the little girl forgot to pin up her tail, but she also told as a dialogue to Rama. Very lovely. Okay. Gauri Priya, what was the second mistake made by the little girl? Yes? Gauri Priya? What was the second mistake made by the little girl? Gauri, are you there? I think I will ask to Effins. Effins, can you tell me what was the second mistake made by the little girl? Effins Joseph.
Ma'am, she said jump.
Yes, instead of jumping, instead of doing the action, she asked Rama to jump. All right. One question to Anna Binu. Anna, why was the little girl pushed onto the stage for the third scene? Why was the little girl pushed onto the stage for the third scene?
Because it was.
Yes?
Ma'am, can I say the answer?
Excuse
Anna,
me.
the question is to you. Do you know the answer?
Ma'am, when curtains went up,
Mm.
she was pushed.
When the curtains went up for the third scene, she was pushed. But why was she pushed? That's my question.
Ma'am, when accomplished of drums heard.
She was pushed on stage because? Who can answer for this question?
Ma'am, I know the answer.
Adilakshmi. Okay.
Can I?
Because she didn't know when to go to the stage.
Yes, because she was not sure when she has to go to the stage. So, children, is the session clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so I'll be sending you the homework through WhatsApp. Just do it. Have you all completed the question answers which I gave you in the previous class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Someone else to complete?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Some of you have not done. So those who haven't completed, please do not keep it for the end. Do your daily homework and get ready with your notes. Okay. We are going to wind up the session. Hope it is very clear to you. Okay.
Bye, ma'am. Bye.
So thank you, children. I'll meet you in the next class.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank you.
ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.